Hi, what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment and subscribe. This is all you have to do to show your support and motivate me to create more contents for you to watch. Today we're going to be making a creamy mashed potato. I learned this recipe while working at a French restaurant in Brazil. And ever since I've learned this recipe, this is how I have been making mashed potatoes at home. Now, before we get to the tutorial, again, the list of ingredients and recipes will be posted down in the comments below. I do want to share something very important for this recipe. You want a very fine mashed potato. You don't want clumps or lumps of potatoes. So I would not recommend using one of those, although if this is all you have, make it work. Just mash it really well. Try to get all the little clumps and lumps of potato. I'm using a ricer. You can also use a food mill, and this is actually how we used to make at the restaurant to get that very fine mashed potato. I find that Yukon Gold makes the creamiest mashed potato. We're going to cook them in a solution of half whole milk and half water. We're also adding aromatics. So here I have thyme, bay leaves, and rosemary. I'm placing them in a bag just because it's going to be easier than having all tiny little pieces of herbs after it's cooked. Salt, as you saw, I also added some black peppercorn and freshly ground nutmeg. We're going to bring the potatoes to a boil over high heat and cook until tender. Now we're mashing the potatoes, and you can see I have a lot of butter, and this is really the secret. So I have about 6 tablespoons of butter here, and then we're going to add heavy cream. I separated about 1 cup of heavy cream, and then I will add more as needed. Now bring it back to cook at the stove at very low heat so you don't burn the bottom of your potato. And we're going to add more cream as needed so you achieve the desired consistency. Now taste it and adjust the seasoning by adding salt, pepper, and nutmeg. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave some comments down below and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.